Hi guys, welcome back to a new vlog.
Hello.
So today is a water park day and we're going to our favourite one.
Well, favourite one at the minute because we've not been to Volcano Bay yet.
True,
but,
true. Our favourite Disney one.
Yeah, Typhoon Lagoon. We only went there once last time, didn't we?
Yeah.
So this is a new experience, going twice.
Yeah, novelty.
Yeah.
But yeah, really excited. The weather is looking good this morning, so we're going there for 10. And then it's meant to be thunderstorm later. So we're gonna spend the whole morning into the afternoon there until we get asked to leave because of the thunderstorm. But hopefully we get a few rides in and then we can do the water, the wave pool and things. And yeah, we'll take you along with us. Also, I haven't eaten my Mickey Rice Krispie treat yet.
No.
It's in the fridge. I was so tired last night and I was so full still. So I'm gonna enjoy that later. Don't worry, I haven't forgotten about him. We hope this is true. Storm is over, the coast is clear, so come and see the view from here.
Every Thursday and Saturday, 8 till 11. But I think, have you got to get
Extra tickets,
extra
I
tickets?
think.
If you go to that, there's greetings with Toy Story friends. Woo. So when you put your passcode in for your locker, you have to put it in twice. And when you do it the first time, the numbers are in one order, but when you do it the second time, the numbers change.
Just to trick you.
So you're not going crazy, just pay attention the next time it comes up. Because I was like, oh no, it's moved. I put in the wrong numbers. Okay, so you're going in the locker, but don't worry, waterproof camera is coming out. So last time I wore my flip-flops, but I got a bit fed up carrying them around last time, so I'm just going barefoot, but I will have to run over the hot bits. And if you do take your flip-flops, you can actually take them on the rides, you've just got to hold them in your hand. We're looking over at Crush and Gusher, and the line doesn't look as long as the other day, so I think that's going to be the first thing we do. Hoping to get a photograph as well, because there's a photo pass person at the bottom. We never got that last time. We got our ride.
We got our coconut carrier.
Is that what it is? Oh yeah, coconut carrier. I forgot, yeah, this is meant to be. It's meant to be like a, what is it? A fruit collection place? Coconut or pineapple?
We did coconut.
Ah, banana or pineapple?
Banana?
It's a fruit factory, isn't it? That's not a fruit collection place.
But this is what you're the fruit.
Yeah. So we did the banana blaster and it was fantastic.
Really good. I think that's better. I don't know if that's just because we just wrote it, but
Yeah.
we got a photo as well.
We got the photo. So yeah, so the photo pass person is more towards the banana blaster side.
Yeah.
So if you want to get a photo, then maybe try that one.
Yeah.
So you get this is what they took the photo on, and then you just link that up to your photo pass.
Good.
So next is the ride that we did first the other day, Misadventure Falls. Really enjoyed this one.
We can all go on together.
Oh yeah, there's 4 of us, yeah. I do love, what do you call it, a dinghy water ride.
Yeah, Dad,
We're all in this together. I know, I just sang High School Musical. Oh, that's the parrot. So the parrot must be working at the minute. That's where I thought, because on all the other vlogs I've seen a parrot. Must be broken at the moment. Oh, the treasure! That's how steep it is. Oh, we're getting there. Everyone ready? That's a good one. I love Misadventure Falls.
That's a really good one if you've got like 4 people, and any of them are really, but like, if you want to go on a good family one, it's really fun, it's really long.
And I was just holding on to one of the handles because I had the camera, and that just made it even scarier.
We ended up going backwards the whole time.
The whole time we went backwards, yeah. A lot of water. I probably put music over the clip because it was just a lot of water. So this is the entrance, and this is Captain Mary Oceaneer. Now this is the parrot you're meant to see as you're going up next to the giant telescope, but yeah, must be fixing him. Or he's asleep. Umunga Cowabunga time. I'm going to take this on, but I don't think you'll see very much because it's in the dark mostly. But there might be a little bit of a light at the bottom. And then a lot of water. I really enjoyed Umunga Cowabunga a lot more than I did last time. I mean, I enjoyed it last time, but this time I was actually able to make a noise. Last time I wasn't because I was just feeling the force of it. So now I'm going to do some storm slides. I don't know if you can see it, but Crush and Gushers over there in the distance. It seems like it's so far away. Please exit to the side immediately. I did the rudder buster in the first video, so now I'm going to do the one that David did, which is the jib jammer. Be warned, the storm slides, they have ridges, so it can hurt your back, that one, a bit.
That's why I set out on that one.
Let's hit some waves! We're heading over to the wave pool, if you didn't understand that. Is it this way? This bit, the last time we came, it was all water, and you could swim with fish and sharks, I'm pretty sure. Little baby sharks. But now, filled in and got more sun loungers. But there's still remnants. There's the shark's teeth. This set of jaws was from a great white shark was found on the beach after the legendary typhoon. If its original owner is still living in the waters of Shark Reef, we haven't seen him yet. Sharks just roaming around without any teeth. Excuse me, have you seen my teeth? I can't eat anything. Bird up, bird up, Come back, I just want my tea. Oh, the water is nice and warm. Oh, well, it's nice and refreshing. It's not like freezing cold when you get in. Although I'm still a bit hesitant to like go underneath it.
Ready? Come on.
I should probably do it. Should I do it? Okay, you're gonna come with me. No, don't push me. Okay. 3, 2. It's not deep enough. 3, 2, 1. Put water in my ears. Everyone's going crazy! The waves are happening! It seems perfectly fine at the moment.
I'm just going for a nice
Whoa! I got taken out! Oh! Oh, the water went up my nose! Oh! That was scary! Just saw it coming! I was not run the other way! Oh no! It's coming! Helena! I can't take any more! One more! No! Another one! Help! Help me!
We survived, just!
We made it! We're still going! Helena reckons it's better to be at the front.
Yeah, you don't get the crash bit. But everyone stands in the middle, and that's when like the wave left, the crash of the wave happens. But it's fun.
So now, I think we're gonna either get a treat or get some food.
Get some money.
Yeah. Just nipped into the shop before food and spotted a Rice Krispie treat. Don't tell Helena. We've still got the one from Disney Springs last night. Oh, I used to love getting Pez. Fun way to eat sweets. Last night in Disney Springs I was trying to find this fridge magnet. And it's here at Typhoon Lagoon. Might get that before we go. Just saw this shirt. It's really cool.
That's the back.
Is that the back, is it?
Yeah, and then it's got
So that's the back, and then on the front, the wet footprints. The Typhoon Lagoon. I love that. How much is it?
$24.95. I feel like we've really done the water parks really well this year.
Yeah, we have. And
Apart from Volcano Bay, but hopefully
and
tomorrow
I
will be
wanted
the day.
to go a few more times, didn't I?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so tomorrow's another water park. Oh, but Volcano Bay. I can't wait. It's going to be fantastic. Well, at least I think it's going to be fantastic. And the idea to come here today was actually Nikki's.
Yeah, she's like, let's go to Typhoon Lagoon again.
Yeah.
Before the thunderstorm. Oh, thank you, just hit me.
Speaking of Nikki though, we've lost the rest of your family.
I think they're sunbathing.
Find them at some point. Sort of really want to get this crushed sipper cup, but maybe it's a stretch. So we've gone for the chicken strips with the fries, and we're just sharing it.
So we can get a treat after.
A treat each or a treat together?
See how hungry we are.
Okay, YouTube family. In the past you've given me some good tips, including the bromine in water rides. But can you tell me why Fanta is so luminous orange over here? Luckily, we've not had any problems with these fellas. Although I have heard from other vloggers, they can be a bit pesky. A bit notorious, can leap onto your table at any moment and grab your food. Oh no, please go away. I didn't mean it.
I heard you.
Okay, so we found Nikki, and we're now going to go off for a treat. Maybe an ice cream. Ooh.
I want a Rice Krispie, but I'm trying to.
No, you can't have a Rice Krispie. You've got that huge Rice Krispie at home.
In the fridge.
I haven't touched it, no. So we're at Happy Landon's ice cream.
Oh my gosh.
Hot fudge brownie sundae.
I can't.
Why not?
Serve it between the same.
Yeah, why don't we share it? So this is the waffle cone swirl ice cream with chocolate Oreo pieces, and then Nikki got with chocolate sprinkles, and then Helena's already digging in.
It's melting, I've got them.
And then there's the lazy river.
A bit busy there now.
Those Oreo pieces are good.
They're really big.
I don't think I've had Oreos before. Be warned that ice cream is huge.
With the Oreo pieces as well.
We should have shared it again. We were just being too gluttonous. So
we're gonna relax now and go on the lazy river.
we've decided that we're gonna meet up with everyone at 2 o'clock to leave and head back to the villa, and then we're going to Animal Kingdom tonight. We might queue up for Flight of Passage.
Yep.
Before we go from Typhoon, we might go on, is it Mayday Falls or Keelhole Falls? Because I like those.
But we're gonna swap you back over
Yep.
to the YI.
Okay, so it's lazy river time. I don't think it's wise to go on any steep drops, so fast rides at the minute because that ice cream. Lilo was just posing for a photograph, so when Stitch is now, it must be Lilo. She's so mean. She was like doing all that. In case you're wondering why there isn't a photo of us with Lilo, there was just a bit of a line, so we decided not to do it.
And our feet were burning.
Yeah. The lazy river is busy. We're on now, so we can just relax.
I think this is sweet.
Oh, I don't mind. I'm sitting in it, and I'm floating. We're going under the bridge. They got us more because we were vlogging.
Discrimination to vloggers.
No. So this is the relaxing bit of the lazy river. Where we got on must have been the busy point. I'm trying to think of where that was.
It's eased up a bit now.
Where was it? It was
like the first one.
Yeah. So as you first come in, and as you see the shop and stuff, and then cross over the bridge, the one to the right.
As we get.
The one to the right, that was the busy section. Although it seems to have picked up now. In the jungle now. It's a bit like Jurassic Park. You said to me that this was a lazy river. This is quite a stressful lazy river. No. There's the Mickey. Why didn't I get off at the last stop? help! There's another one! We won't go under it, she says. And that, oh no! 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 Oh, it's okay, it's okay. It's gonna be. I got out of that one, yeah. This is where we got on. Opposite Jeffrey's. This was the busiest point. So maybe try and get on a different bit. Okay, so we're done with Typhoon Lagoon for today. So I'm going to go and get the fridge magnet, Buzz Lightyear. There he is. So that was a successful Typhoon Lagoon. Got to ride the lazy river, went round twice. We did get off to go to Keelhaul Falls and Mayday Falls, but they had 15-minute wait and we had to be back by the lockers to meet everyone by 2, so we decided we wouldn't do that. But while we were sort of walking around, we saw that there was a photographer taking photos next to the Mickey rubber dinghy, and then he took us on a bit of a photo shoot trail, didn't he?
He was like, how much time do you have? And then he asked us a few questions about like how long we'd known each other, blah, blah, blah. And then he was like, okay, come with me. And he like took us on this little trail across the bridge. And to this place with like this gorgeous view.
Typhoon Tilly was in the background.
And I think he wanted to like try out this location.
Yeah.
So we'll insert the pictures. So we just got back to the villa and I am about to tuck in to this. I've been waiting to eat this since last night. Smells so good. So we're gonna leave this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed spending the morning with us at Typhoon Lagoon. We love Typhoon Lagoon. We love Blizzard Beach, but I think Typhoon Lagoon has a special place in our heart. I love the wave pool.
Surely you're going to taste it.
I want to taste it. Martyn's saying I have to taste it for the camera. Okay, let me rest you there. Oh my gosh. Oh, M&M's everywhere. That's so good. The M&M's on it are amazing. But yeah, that's gonna be epic to try and eat all of that. But that is really, really good. Highly, highly recommend Goofy & Co. Is it called? Goofy & Co, I think it's called, at Disney Springs. They're really lovely as well, the people that make it. But yeah. As I was saying, I hope you enjoyed our day at Typhoon Lagoon, and make sure you watch the vlog next week because we're going to have a very exciting evening at Animal Kingdom. We've got a lot planned and we also might try and queue for Flight of Passage. We haven't been able to pick up a Flight of Passage fast pass yet, so we're going to have to queue. So we might do it this evening or maybe later on in the week, but yeah, we're going to see. But we're gonna definitely go see Pandora at night, which will be amazing. So thanks so much for watching and we will see you in our next video. Bye.